Syecon Community, in collaboration with Pentester Nepal, is going to organize a virtual session on navigating the cybersecurity career path. The session will be carried out by the renowned Bugcrowd Ambassador, Pentester, and a bug hunter, Mr. Abartan Dhakal. So guys, join us on the 4th February Saturday at 5 PM for an insightful session on how to succeed in a cybersecurity field and build a career in cybersecurity. Mr. Abartan sir will be sharing his wealth of knowledge and experience with you guys during the session. Also, he will take each and every questions, queries and doubt you may have regarding the cybersecurity and the cybersecurity career during the session. So don't miss this opportunity to take your career to the next level and learn from one of the best industry expert and cybersecurity expert. So our session will be hosted on the Syecon Community Discord stage. So त्यसको लागि चाहिँ हजुरले चाहिँ लिंक तल म राखिदिने छु, त्यो लिंकमा चाहिँ हजुरले क्लिक गरेर चाहिँ हाम्रो सेसन चाहिँ जोइन गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on 4th February Saturday at 5 PM on Syecon Community Discord stage. Thank you.